Are you a fire sprinkler contractor or just interested in CAD design and looking to level up your CAD skills without breaking the bank? Well, I've got something for you. I'm Colby Stachwick, the COO of MCAD, and I'm excited to announce that the next session of our Fire Sprinkler CAD Basics Bootcamp starts Thursday, December 5th, 2024. And for Black Friday, I'm offering an exclusive discount. Instead of the regular $599 price, you can enroll for just $399. This 8-week course is designed to give you the core CAD skills that you need to create professional quality fire sprinkler designs. These skills apply to AutoCAD and other affordable DWG-based programs like BricsCAD, DraftSite, CMS IntelliCAD, and even NanoCAD's free software, NanoCAD 5. And here's the best part. Once you know the basics, you won't need expensive, overly complex fire sprinkler software for most jobs. Many of the fire sprinkler specific programs are marketed as time savers, and they absolutely can be. But their workflows aren't always the most efficient, especially if you already have an understanding of these CAD fundamentals that we're teaching. So in this course, you're going to build this foundation that you need so that you can decide if and when those pricey software options are worth it for your business. So you're going to gain a deeper understanding of the design process, including how to input hydraulic calculations manually in a standalone calculation program. So why do I believe that is important? Well, understanding this process, I believe, makes you a better designer. Plus, with tools like VCalc from Viking, which is totally free, it's a plugin for Revit. Many of the features of these expensive software options are now more accessible than ever. So, we've designed this course to work for small businesses, helping you create high quality designs without needing costly software licenses. So, if you've been waiting to learn CAD or you want to make fire sprinkler designs more efficient, now is the time to enroll. Take advantage of our Black Friday special and save $200. But hurry, this deal ends soon and spots are limited. Click on the link in the description to secure your spot and let's build your CAD skills together. Your success is our success.